right, team. Keep it steady. We are approaching the target depth.
Roger that, Foreman. Console shows green across the board.
Check the pressure on tank 3.
Reading 5,000. Ropes are clear.
Roger that, let's move out.
Secure the lines. Watch the swell.
Hey! Pull it tight now. How's that side look?
Secured. We're good to go.
Look at the state of this chassis. The corrosion is extensive.
Yes, especially around the wheel wells. We have a lot of work ahead of us.
The corrosion around the stabilizers is extensive.
And the metal fatigue on the turbine housing is worse than we thought.
This is much worse than we thought.
The salt has really eaten away at the metal here. We'll need to replace this entire section.
Look at the oxidation on the manifold.
Yeah, and these hoses are completely shot. We'll need replacements.
Calipers say we're good on the main gear.
Let me check the bore gauge on cylinder 3.
Still tight.
Torque sequence complete on the manifold.
Confirmed. Next, the fuel lines.
Okay, the schematics show the suspension mounts first.
Got it. I'll grab the torque wrench for the front right. Easy now, just a 1/4 inch lower.
Clear on the left side, looking good.
Hold it, we're set. Steady now, just a few more clicks.
Got it.
It's seated.
Route that bundle around the steering column.
Okay, making sure it clears the linkage.
I've secured the mounting points. We should double check the torque settings on the tablet.
Agreed. The upholstery looks perfect though.
The gap looks good here.
Set the clamp.
Clamped. Moving to the torque wrench now.